So we are on the website Reddit in the Learn Arabic community, and there are a lot of people who will post pictures of their handwriting and be like, rate my handwriting. How is my handwriting? Is my handwriting legible? Is my handwriting okay? So in this video, we are going to be opening a few of those posts and judging and rating their handwriting together.
This is Arabic with Amina, your online Arabic teacher. Our rating system is going to be based on 1. Clarity. How clear is the handwriting? 2. Form. Are the letters properly formed? Do they have their dots? 3. Consistency. Is the handwriting the same from start to end, or does it change while writing? 4. Spacing and alignment. Is there enough space between letters and words? Are the words aligned properly? And finally, personality and uniqueness. How does this handwriting look?
So this is the first one we are going to be rating. The person is using the Lebanese dialect. So let us zoom in. So I'm just gonna read it out now. كلنا للوطن للعلي للعلم مل عين الزمن سيفنا والقلم سهلنا والجبل منبت للرجال قولنا والعمل في سبيل الكمال شيخنا والفتى عند صوت الوطن أسد غاب متى ساورتنا الفتن شرقنا قلبه أبدا لبنان صانه ربه لمدى الأزمان بحره بروه ذروة الشرقين رفده بروه مالئ القطبين اسمه عزة منذ كان الجدود مجده أرزه رمزه للجلود. So based on the scoring system we have in place, as for clarity, it seems pretty clear to me. I mean, I was able to read it. For form, the letters are well formed, a little bit not on the lines, and obviously a beginner's handwriting, so the words are a little bit big. They are properly connected, so form is okay, not bad. Consistency is there, we can definitely see that. So there is no like big, small differences. No, it's all consistent. Alignment and spacing is fine. I already said that it's a little bit big and it's kind of a little bit not on the lines. We can see, like, for example, the letter lamb, it should be a little bit underneath the line of the notebook. There are some big letters here, and not everything is on the line of the notebook, but it's not bad, not bad at all. Good job. As for personality, I do see a personality. It seems like someone's handwriting. They are using the roka kind of handwriting way. So we have the lines instead of two dots. They're connected with a line. Also, the ya maksura should also be underneath the line. Moving on to another. So this is someone's handwriting, and they said that they are learning Palestinian Arabic. So let's zoom in. Let's see what's written. بكرة بدي بأفيق متأخر عندك كثير سيارات حلوة قديش الساعة الساعة. So there's a typo there. 7:30 و5 ما أجله. صح صح بدي زيه كمان. انتوا فاهمين عليا. دايما بنفهم عليكي. شو نبي شو بنبيعه مشروبات باردة في عندي غرفة كبيرة وطولة. I think it's supposed to say طويلة. أنت ولد شاطر، أنا مبسوط منك. بدي أسألك سؤال. ممكن تروح على ممكن تروح على رام الله من شان تجيب لي الشي. المطعم مفتوحة كل الأسبوع من 7:30 الصبح إلى 4:15 بعد الظهر. So, our first point in scoring this handwriting would be clarity. It's not super clear. Able to read it, but it's not super clear. As for form, the letters are a little bit deformed. You don't really have that the form of the letters. Some letters are actually missing the dots, such as مفتوحة. We have a dot on the fa, but then we don't have a dot on the ta. Also, we have the word مبسوط. Maybe the alif underneath the word removed the dot of the letter ba, but I don't see a dot. Also, the letter ta should not have that little line after it. Form, it could use a little improvement. Consistency is there. I mean, the handwriting is consistent from beginning to end. Alignment and spacing. The alignment could do a little bit better. Spacing between words seems fine to me. And for personality or uniqueness and creativeness, it seems like this was kind of written in a rush. So it seems like some really fast handwriting, maybe. The person is still in early in their journey of learning Arabic. It's not bad. There are ways to improve, yes, but good job. So I will rate this a 3 out of 5. All right, so let's go and see another post. This one is a handwriting update. I would love if native Arabs tell me if it's legible or not. Zooming in. All right, so my go at reading it. أمنتك علي عشان لقيتني مصداق و I don't know what that word is. في وقت الجري جنبك حتلاقيني. بسهر بسهر I think على راحتك وراضية تعاب معك وإن ما تشيلكش وإن ما تشيلكش الأرض أنا أشيلك في عيني بطمنك. That wasn't very clear. There were some words I couldn't make out, even though it does look pretty. I can't actually make out all of the words. For form, so it's the form that isn't making it very clear to read. So I think clarity and form are not points for this handwriting. Consistency is there, it's the same. You can see the large calf letters. So it is consistent throughout the paragraph. Alignment and spacing. I feel like it needs more spacing between the words. Seems as if this was intentional, but they are diagonal, the words, and not straight on a line. So I feel like it could also use some improvement there. As for creativity, I mean, it does have a beautiful look to it. So this person did get the creativity points. In my opinion, the overall rating of this handwriting would be maybe 2.5. Just because if I had to read a whole page written in that handwriting, it would have been difficult for me. Again, it's just my own personal opinion. So, moving on to the next post. Please critique my handwriting. It's copied from a BBC article. Zooming in. Okay, so it says بعد الجدل بشأن الأفارقة في تونس هل تشيع عنصرية اللون في العالم العربي؟ أقام الرئيس التونسي قيس سعيد الدنيا ولم يقعدها بعدما جاء في خطابه الأخير من تصريحات وصفت بأنها مناهضة للمهاجرين الأفارقة وأنا وأنها وأنها توحي تلميحات عنصرية. وكان سعيد قد تحدث قبل أيام عما أسماه تريبا تريبا إجراميا لتوطين للمهاجرين الأفارقة في بلاده بهدف تغيير تركيبتها الديمغرافية كدولة عربية وإسلامية. My handwriting is pretty clear. I was able to get through the most of it. I mean, just a few words weren't clear. Form is okay. Some of the letters are crooked. It could be a little neater, so it's okay there. As for consistency, it's the same from beginning to end, so it is consistent. Spacing and alignment. The space between the words is fine. The alignment could be a little bit better. I mean, it's not really on the line and it's kind of tilted. Uniqueness or creativity, it does seem like it is a personal handwriting and it's not bad. It's quite good for someone learning Arabic. Based on all of that, I am going to be rating this handwriting a 4 out of 5. The guy did a really good job, just needs a little bit of improvement. If you guys enjoyed this video, then hit that like button, let me know in the comments, and don't forget to subscribe. See you next time, Arabic with Amina.